Are you ready to code? We're going to do a different one today. So you should have already finished lesson 1. And as it went on, it got a little harder. It taught you some trickier things. So we're going to move on to lesson 2. So just a reminder, if you don't know how to get onto code.org, you are going to go on to Clever, click on where this little thing under science where it says code.org. Once you click on it, this time, instead of the warm-up dance party like this, you're going to click on the next one. So you should have already finished dance party. All of these should be green, meaning you finished every single one. You watched all the videos, you did all the activities. So if you scroll down a little, it's sequencing lesson 2, programming with Angry Birds. So we're going to do Angry Birds today. So as always, you're going to click in order. So you got one video and then the rest are all activities. So click the video and watch that. So I just watched the video off camera and now I'm ready for number 2. So I wanted to point out a couple things to you. Remember, it always tells you what to do here. You can't pass number 2, like this part of the lesson, until you have done whatever this says. So if you did it, if you thought you did it and it's not letting you move on, it's because you didn't fulfill, you didn't accomplish what it asked you to do. You can always have it read to you as well. Click this little play button.
For this puzzle, drag all of the blocks together and click Run to watch it go.
So it'll read it to you if you need that. And then, okay, and that stays up at the top. If you need a hint, you can click the light bulb, but notice you'll only have one hint. So I would save that until you really need it. So you're always going to click these together. If they're not clicked together, that it won't work. Okay. Give them that. And then something else, I'm going to click these both together. And actually, I'm going to leave one off. Let's say I press run and it doesn't work. He got close to the pig, but he didn't get there all the way. So it tells me I hit keep coding, something's not quite right. So it's not going to let me move to the next one because I didn't do it right. I'm trying to get that angry bird to go all the way to the pig. So I need to reset my bird back to the beginning. And then see, that was the one I needed him to move forward 1 space to be here and 2 spaces to be on the pig. Okay. Another thing you can do if you think you got it totally wrong, you can always press start over. But this is a cool button. It says show code. If you were an actual computer programmer, you wouldn't have the clicks necessarily, the little buttons that you can click together, but you would have a code where you would type something in and it would look like that, move forward with the parentheses and the semicolon. So now let's run it. 1, 2, I got him. Good. And you'll know you did it when you get this congratulations screen, and then you can continue on to the next puzzle. It'll tell you exactly what it wants you to do, and it will get harder as you go on. So for example, this one says that there's 1 extra block that is going to cause this bird to crash. So look at what it has. So when you run this, he's going to move forward 1, 2 times. Let's see. 1 time, fine. 2 times, I don't want him to run into that. So get rid of that. Take that one off and you put it back over here. But I do want him to go forward 1 and then turn to the left. And then once he turns, he'll go forward 1, 2 times. So let's run that and see if it works. Forward, left, forward, forward. Got it. So just try things out. And if it doesn't work the first time, try it again. You can always have it show you what the code would look like for if you were a computer programmer doing this. Okay. So continue on. If you are really, really stuck and you are having problems with this, you can always ask a grown up. You can always problem solve. Try it several times. I've even done it where I've had to try several different things, reread, start over, put all the things back that I had done to try again. If you really can't get through it, remember, I'm always here to help. You just need to come to Zoom and you can ask to stay after and work on your coding. All right, have fun, my little computer programmers.